class today, geometry students, on this Friday, the 11th. Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you're ready to learn some math and go over or to take a quiz today. If you're not studying for these quizzes and tests, you will not do well, okay? You need to study for the quizzes and tests. Okay, at this time, go ahead and make sure your name is on your assignment and please turn it in. It's right there in front of you, page 70. So make sure your name is on it and turn that in now at this time. Continuing on, incompletes. Let's see what we have here real quick. Okay, here we go. Caleb, I did not get Wednesday's assignment. Of course, that was done in class, so that's why I was allowed to give that to you. So I'm not telling you, Caleb, until today. So I'm not going to tell you. You have to turn it in today. But please turn that in by next week, or it will become a permanent zero, okay? So please get that taken care of. Caleb, this assignment right here, that's the only incomplete. Let's continue on. Today, we will be taking a quiz and taking notes. There will not be any homework over the weekend, so enjoy a little bit of a break there. The video today is about vertical angles and some other angles called linear pairs. Both of these are sets of angles. Again, we're learning more information about segments and angles. In this video, you will also learn another theorem and another postulate. You're going to learn tons of those this year, so understand that. The name of the teaching video is Lesson 2.4. That's what you're going to watch today when your quiz is over. At this time, please pause the video, pass out the quizzes, and restart the video once everyone has a quiz on their desk. Mrs. Duke, everyone in the room must take the quiz. If someone's been absent this week, they still must take the quiz. On the first day of school, I went over the rules for the class. If you're absent, it is your job to watch the videos while you're out and come into class totally caught up. Now, if you pre-contact me about something as to why you would have to miss a quiz or a test, then I can work with you possibly, but you have to contact me before the quiz or test, okay? Quiz or test, so everyone there does take the quiz. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and pass out the quizzes. Okay, students, let's go over your quizzes at this time. Now, if you'll take a look at your quizzes, numbers 1 through 9 are fill in the blank. I actually remembered the word bank this time, so you'll see at the bottom of the page a word bank. And every word there that's missing should be found in the word bank. I hope that I've not missed any. Okay, let's take a look at number 10. I want you to find the midpoint of those 2 points right there. There's a formula for that. You should know it. So please find the midpoint of those 2 points. Numbers 11 and 12. For both of those segments, B is the midpoint of AC. So please look at number 11. Please look at number 11. 8 is the length of AB. Please understand that. Look at number 12. 20 is the length of AC, the entire segment. Got it? 20 is the length of the entire segment. Okay. And then for 11, you're going to find the length of AC. 12, you're going to find the length of BC. Alright, 13, I've given you angle ABC. Has a certain measurement. Ray BD is a bisector. What is the measure of angle DBC? Number 14, a little algebra, okay? Using the same figure that you used for number 13. So look back up at that figure. Using the same figure. Angle ABD is that algebra expression there. Angle DBC is that algebra expression. What is the measure of angle ABC? So you're going to have to solve for x. Then once you find x, find the measurement of one of those angles, and then find the measure of the entire angle, angle ABC. That's a pretty tough problem. I hope that some of you will get that right. And then number 15, find the complement and supplement of the angle that I've given you. Okay? So I hope that makes sense. Now, Mrs. Duke, it's your decision as to when you feel like the students have had enough time for their quiz, okay? while the teaching video is going on. And then those who need more time to take their quiz, they can watch the teaching video over the weekend at their house. Okay? Alright. So that's all for today, students. Please get started on your quizzes, and then you'll also take notes. Have a great weekend. Contact me if you have any questions at all.